I am going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to add an appointment to the company-wide Google Calendar. Hope you guys are doing well today. First thing to do is to log into Google. You're going to use the QuickPix supplied email address and password to get into there. The way to know that you are correctly logged in is to make sure that up here it has your name with your icon that you have designated so that you know that you're there. You're going to want to be into the calendar mode of Google, so if you haven't gotten there, go ahead and click on calendar by simply hitting these little squares and selecting calendar from the list. As you can see, we're already there, so we're going to bypass that. The thing it's going to do is give you all of the photographers' calendars over here on the left-hand side. Now, you may have them colored differently than I do because you can actually set that yourself based off of your login and all that kind of good stuff, so don't get tripped up over the colors that I've selected. Next thing to do is click the area that they want their photo shoot done. For this demonstration, we're going to select Wednesday, May the 11th, 2016. So we're going to go in here and we're going to go ahead and select anywhere where there's not already a photo shoot done. That's going to bring up this dialog box here. This is a new event that you're going to add to the calendar, and you're going to simply want to state it as the realtor's name, and I'm going to put my name just for demonstration purposes, but you would replace that with whatever the realtor's first and last name is. Then you're going to put photo shoot and then what type of package they have ordered, whether it's Tudor, great house, bungalow, mansion, drone, whatever the case may be. You want to put that afterwards. In this case, we're just going to say it's a Tudor shoot, so we just simply type Tudor. Next thing to do is to put it on the calendar for the particular photographer that's going to be doing the photo shoot. You should already have that information based off of the booking website, but if you don't, get with me and I'll let you know which calendar to put it on. But simply click anywhere in that box. It'll give you a drop down. Go ahead and select who you're going to schedule it for. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to select my personal calendar, Brent. That puts it on my photo shoot calendar. And then the next thing you want to do is hit the Edit Event button. If you accidentally hit Create, it will make it an all-day appointment on this day, and you'll have to go in and actually edit that event. But if you hit Edit Event now, that'll bring up this screen here. Notice it's got the title that you put in up here, it's got the date, but it doesn't have a time. You want to uncheck all day, and then you want to select the time that you had already gotten off of the booking page. In this situation, we're going to call it for 1 o'clock. Okay? From there, you're going to put the address. So whatever address the realtor gave you. We're going to use 123 ABC Way in Hewitt, Texas. Okay, notice as I was typing that it was trying to pull up addresses that are known to Google in the system. If you see one that matches the actual address, go ahead and select it. If it doesn't match, then go ahead and do not select any of them. Just use the typed one that you put in there. Next is that you want to put any information the realtor has given you about the appointment. This would be things like listing square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, particular shots that they want done. You should have gotten all of that off of the booking page. If you don't have any information, additional information, then don't put anything in here. But this is going to have Supra, combo codes, all that kind of good stuff that you would have gotten when you did the booking itself. Next, you want to invite the QuickPix company-wide calendar to the appointment. And that's very, very important because that allows us to know at a quick glance all the photo shoots for QuickPix without actually having each photographer name selected. So you're going to put in, you should already have it pre-programmed in for QuickPix calendar. And so when you start typing QuickPix, it gives you this here. Going to go ahead and select QuickPix calendar. Notice it adds it as a guest down here once you have selected it. From there, simply hit the Save button. And now notice at 1 o'clock on May the 11th, it has set up an appointment for Brent Eckley as the realtor, not only on the Quick Picks calendar because I've got it selected, but then also my the photographer's calendar, which is here in kind of a gray color here right there. So that's all you need to know in order to actually set it up on the calendar. This allows the photographers that log in to Google to see what appointments they have for that day so that they make sure that they are there. If you have any questions about this, please give me a call and I will walk you through any additional information that isn't covered in this video. Thank you and have a good afternoon, evening, or morning, depending on when you have watched this video.